In the dense forests of Central Europe, life finds a way, when sometimes it really shouldn't. A rare and most unusual creature, the Human Centipede. A truly extraordinary example of scientific ambition gone mad. Its form, while innovative, presents certain challenges. Each segment of the creature is deeply committed to the one ahead. An astonishing example of teamwork, although none of them had a choice. To move forward, it must coordinate with remarkable precision. A bold maneuver from the leader, but not much warning for the rest. Feeding is an altogether more complex affair. Here, the leading member consumes berries, unaware that they contain a natural laxative. What follows is a remarkable, if deeply unfortunate, chain reaction. Nutrients pass efficiently through each individual, perhaps a little too efficiently, leaving the tail section to deal with the inevitable. Such cooperation is rare in nature, and frankly, will haunt my dreams forever. And so, as this astonishing creature retreats back into seclusion, it leaves us with this dark reminder. Just because we can, doesn't mean we should.